The vMeasure Parcel Turbo automatically measures any sized SKUs, capturing dimensions, weight, barcode, annotated image, and additional 4K images in less than 2 seconds with an accuracy of up to 0.2 inches. The system scans up to 20 parcels per minute, delivering a throughput of over 1,200 parcels per hour to keep high-volume operations running efficiently. The system also throws a failed measurement when a parcel or SKU has a missing, broken, or undetectable barcode. Every scan is automatically stored in vMeasure Forge, our SOC 2 certified cloud platform that keeps all captured dimensions, weight, barcode, annotated image, and 4K images secure, organized, and easy to access. When integrated, vMeasure Forge transfers all data to your WMS or shipping system through no-code API integration, enabling real-time data flow without manual entry. Automate your dimensioning process with vMeasure Parcel Turbo. Fast, accurate, and reliable for every SKU.